Okay, we are in a pandemic and I have run out of these. I wish I'd stocked up more, but I have a solution. I have a copy of Inkscape, which is an open source program, and I put together a pattern so that you can make a holder which will hold a coffee filter. I'll have a link to this on the page, but basically what you're going to end up doing is cutting this pattern out here, then folding it, putting a coffee filter inside of it. See, I got some strings here to hold it behind your head, and there you go. Cheap, fast. I'll show you how it's done. You can also use scissors. I'm using an X-Acto blade. Doesn't really matter. Scissors might have been easier getting around these tabs. All right. There you go. There you go. And then I'm going to cut out this little beak here, maybe a little bigger than what I have. That's where you breathe in. And then I'm just going to start at the bottom. This is kind of where your chin goes. You can see I've got a little mark there. See, like so. And then I'll fold the other one here. And here. And then I can take some tape, kind of tape it here at the top. Do it on the inside and on the outside, just so it has a reasonably good seal. Let's see, I've got the symbol of Asclepius here for health. Okay, then you're also going to need a nose guard, and for that you're going to need a paper clip. Ah, here it is. So I'll take this paper clip, unbend it with my fingers, kind of flatten it out, and since I don't want to poke my eye out, I'll go ahead and kind of put a scroll on each end. Okay, kind of flatten that out, and then like so. And then you can see that will, I'll just tape that on top with a little Scotch tape, maybe about 3/4 inches down. Oh, the other thing, you kind of want to bend these things forward. So this is all really but stuff that's kind of laying around the house, since we're all supposed to be not going anywhere. Then you can kind of see here, I took some butcher's twine, 30 inches, folded it in half. So it's about 15 inches coming off each side, and using a stapler to staple it to each one of those tabs. And that's really all there is to it. Then you take your coffee filter, and then it goes. And then you can tie one of these off above your ears, and another one below your ears. So anyway, that's it. Stay safe and stay away.